Well, SIP contributions have crossed the 13,300 crore mark. Help us understand what is aiding this strong SIP flow.
The strong SIP flows are a clear feature that essentially people are trusting mutual fund as a good investment vehicle. And essentially, if you are looking at it, the retail participation is very, very high. The number of folios of SIP is over 6 crores. The SIP flows will continue to be there for the simple reason that it is a long-term investment vehicle, and we believe that the trend, whatever is indicative, we will touch the 14,000 crore by, let us say, next June.
By June. Okay. Also help me understand what could be the impact of growth slowdown and also recession fears on the markets that we are looking at in the next year, and on the SIP flows. Are there any concerns of redemptions that we should be prepared for?
No, we are not seeing any concerns of redemptions, because SIP flows are generally for a 5-year to 7-year sort of an investment horizon. So whatever the market blips or whatever happens in the interim for 1 year, 2 years, I don't think that will put the SIP investor in taking a decision that he will discontinue the SIP. That is not happening. We are, on the contrary, we are seeing that people are remaining invested and continue to increase their investment through SIP. So that is what we are seeing. So we believe that even if let us say a small dip in the growth, recession is not a possibility in India, because India is definitely one of the fastest growing countries globally, but maybe a small dip in the growth could affect the overall economic condition, but still I believe that the SIP flows will continue to grow.
Okay. Also, sir, we've seen the equity mutual funds have actually witnessed an inflow of 2,224 crores in this month. October was around 9,200 crores. Why this sharp drop have we witnessed, and is that a concern going forward as well? Do you expect any further fall, or then a bounce from these low levels going forward into the future months?
The equity has come down for the simple reason that the markets have touched all-time highs. So when the market has touched all-time highs, people are trying to encash on their profits and use that money for the consumption, because the October, November, December and all is festival season. So people are using that money for consumption or for buying houses or cars, those sort of the thing. So I think that is where you are seeing the dip that has happened in the equity mutual fund inflows. But going ahead with the budget around the corner, so we believe that the budget will be a very good budget for which will be proactive for growth. So if that growth is there in the budget, the focus is on growth in the budget, then we believe that essentially the equity markets will also rebound. And once the equity markets rebound, you will see more and more flows coming back into the equity mutual funds.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.